Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm sharing Bajra Dosa recipe, a healthy, filling and nutrient-dense breakfast for weight loss. Bajra, also known as pearl millet, is high in protein, calcium, folic acid, magnesium, potassium and contains all essential amino acids. Pearl millet is rich in iron, zinc, minerals like phosphorus which is needed for healthy bones. Bajra also has vitamin E, vitamin K and B vitamins. Millets are rich in fiber and helps to deal health issues like constipation and also improves digestion. Bajra helps to treat stomach ulcers, helps to reduce blood pressure. Due to their high fiber content, millets digest slowly, which is responsible for slowing down the release of sugar in the bloodstream. So by consuming millets, a diabetic person can manage blood sugar spikes. I will leave a link in the description box below so that you can understand how recent studies shows millets are good to add in a diabetic diet. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, add in 1 cup bajra, also known as pearl millet. Note that I'm using a small measuring cup. Add in half cup single polished white rice. This rice is locally known as matta pacheri. It's actually white rice with some bran left and that is why it is slightly brown in color. If you don't have this rice, you can use ordinary white rice. Add in half cup black urad dal, 2 tablespoon channa dal, also known as kadala parippa in Malayalam, half tablespoon methi seeds, and add in enough water to soak the rice and millet and allow it to soak for about 2 to 3 hours. Bajra does need a little extra time to soak nicely. Once the millets are soaked, wash it 3 to 4 times or until the water is nice and clear. Now strain it into a mixer jar. Add in 1 tablespoon cooked rice for easy fermentation. This cooked rice is the same single polished white rice which I had shown earlier, and once the rice is cooked, you can see the specks of bran on it more clearly. Instead of rice, you can also use poha. Add in half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. Add in enough water and grind this to a smooth batter. The batter is of pourable consistency. It is neither thick nor too thin. Keep it covered with a lid. Do not use a tight lid as we need the airborne wild yeast to help ferment the batter. Did you know that fermented foods are a rich source of vitamin B12? Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in iron absorption. Low hemoglobin levels are always a reason for fatigue, high body fat levels, irregular menstruations, etc. So starting your day with healthy fermented dosa or even idli is the best way to a healthier lifestyle. Keep this batter overnight to ferment, and the next day morning the batter is fermented and ready to make dosas. This fermented batter can be kept in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. So try and make this on a Sunday so that healthy breakfast is sorted out for the next couple of days. To make bajra dosa, heat an iron dosa tawa and grease with gingerly oil. Pour in 1 to 1.5 ladleful of the batter and spread it out into a thin circle. Drizzle in 1/3 teaspoon desi ghee and allow it to roast for about a minute. Did you know that when healthy fats and proteins, when combined with the right carbohydrates, it slows down the release of blood sugar and improve insulin response, which is highly beneficial for those with PCOD and diabetes. Now allow it to roast for about a minute and your crispy bajra dosa is ready to serve. I serve this dosa with sambar and homemade pickle for some extra probiotics, and my healthy bajra dosa is ready to serve. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. If you like to see more such healthy recipes, make sure you give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can get notified when I post new videos. Don't forget, I come up with new videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.